Use this guide to prepare for your Luxor Controller setup. You'll need to complete the following steps before starting a Luxor lighting installation. Choose your wireless connection method. Select the best location for the controller. Verify all controller and necessary accessory firmware is up to date. Plan fixture installation locations. Design the wire layout and confirm voltage drop is within limits. Organize fixtures into groups. Assign groups to fixtures through the controller. Install the Luxor app on your mobile device. Determine how the Luxor controller will connect to the Internet. The built-in Local Area Network (LAN) port is the recommended option for a reliable hardwired connection. You can also add the Luxor Wi-Fi module, part number WI-FI MOD2, to connect wirelessly. Select a location for the Luxor controller with access to power and strong network signal. Test the spot by plugging in the controller and checking the Wi-Fi setup screen for signal strength. Checking the Wi-Fi signal strength is only applicable for Wi-Fi module installations. The RSSI number next to each network name shows its signal strength. Look for a value of 70 RSSI or higher for a solid, reliable connection. For long distances or weak signals, use a remote Wi-Fi module with an extended cable and mounting hardware to improve reception. For larger systems with multiple Luxor controllers, use the Luxor Satellite Controller, part number LSAT300, with Luxor Wireless Linking Modules, part number Link-Mod, to wirelessly connect each transformer to the main controller. Verify the controller's firmware version and confirm it's up to date on the FX Luminaire website. The Update Luxor Controller firmware video in this series shows you how. Plan fixture placement. You can use My Design Lighting from FX Luminaire to create a stunning lighting design with actual property photos. Decide where each fixture will go and mark positions with flags to guide installation. Use waterproof slices and conduit where needed. Limit burial depth to 6 inches, 152 millimeters, except when connecting to the main low-voltage cable. And use the FX Luminaire voltage drop calculator. Confirm voltage drop remains within acceptable limits for consistent lighting performance. Most FX Luminaire fixtures require a minimum of 10 volts, while RGBW color-changing fixtures need at least 11 volts for proper powering and communication with the Luxor controller. Decide which fixtures will be assigned to each group. Luxor control systems support up to 250 groups. All fixtures must include Luxor technology to communicate with the Luxor controller. This includes fixtures using a powerboard light engine, compatible LED lamps, Luxor cubes, or devices like the SRP-CC strip light color controller. Before assigning fixtures, ensure there is a minimum of 1 inch of exposed copper wire. Assign a fixture by inserting the 2 wires into the assignment ports located in the front of the Luxor controller facepack. The controller facepack will automatically detect the fixture and display the assignment mode page. Select the desired group number you want and press Program. The Luxor controller facepack will display Assignment Succeeded once the fixture is assigned a new group number. If the assignment fails, ensure the wires are fully inserted into the assignment ports and press Program again. Complete this step on-site before installation to stay organized when working with multiple crew members. Remember, if you forget to assign any fixtures prior to installation, any unassigned fixtures will remain as Group 1. After assigning fixtures, Label the boxes with group names like Group 3 Pathlight and so on. The Luxor Controller's owner manual includes a sticker sheet of unique ID numbers from 1 to 250. Use these stickers to stay organized by placing them on the fixture housing or fixture wire leads. To save time and avoid the need to reassign groups later, optional Luxor accessories are available to wirelessly assign fixtures in the field using the Luxor app. You can then turn fixtures on and off, set intensity, or adjust color based on their built-in technology. Groups may include a single fixture or multiple fixtures, depending on the desired lighting control. Fixtures are often grouped by type or location for easier management. It's also important to group fixtures with similar control capabilities. For example, assign ZD-capable fixtures to one group and ZDC-capable fixtures to another. Grouping fixtures is both a technical and artistic decision. Start with as few groups as necessary for programming simplicity. Then add more as you create themes or devise creative ways to use zoning, dimming, and color. Install the FX Luminaire Luxor app on your iOS or Android smart device. With the app, you can wirelessly manage your Luxor system, from controlling individual groups to creating scenes, colors, and schedules. Planning your Luxor system in advance ensures faster installs, fewer surprises, and better results, setting you up for a smooth, professional lighting experience. Thank you for choosing FX Luminaire. For more information, go to fxl.com.